guys, this is Tiana here, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because I haven't done one of those in ages. Like, I've only done one, so yeah, I think it's about time to do another one. And I have just come out of the bath, hence why I'm in my towel. So yeah, okay, so I've moved now. I'm currently sitting on my bedroom floor, and before I get ready and do everything that I need to do, put on my eyeshadow, because I don't do full face, which you should know if you've watched my videos. But yeah, and something that I found really nice that I've been using a lot lately is this Garnier skincare Pure Active Matcha Detox Pore Unclogging Mask. It's just really lovely, and it actually makes my skin feel so soft, and I feel like it's really helped to clear up my skin, because I feel like my skin, it fluctuates. Sometimes it flares up and then I get all these spots, and sometimes it's okay. It's a bit annoying. So yeah, I feel like this has really been helping, and it's good for people that have oily skin. And I wouldn't say I necessarily have oily skin. I think I have combination, so it's oily T-zone and then dry everywhere else basically. So yeah, let me just find an old top to put on. And I'm back. Today I've just been doing some next intense workout today with my little sister Shanice, if I haven't mentioned her before. We did the In My Feelings challenge, and I'm trying to think whether or not I should post that. It literally took us so long. I was actually dying. When I apply this, I like using this brush because it feels really nice. And with this, I think you're supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes. My face literally feels so amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't stop touching it. It feels so great. So now, of course, I need to moisturize my skin, before I start putting stuff onto it, And I usually use this now. It doesn't necessarily say if it's for just your body or your face, but okay, so this might just be a little bit too much. I will work with it, it's cool. For my prom, I did get a concealer, if I can find it, but the thing is, I don't know if it makes much of a difference, because I know concealers you're supposed to get 2 shades lighter or something, and I don't really know. So yeah, we'll see. And by the way, the one I'm using is Lasting Finish for 25 hours, and it's by Rimmel London. The way I'm getting this all on my eyebrow. My gosh! Okay. I've never done it under my eyes. I don't know how that would look. Should we try that out? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Scoop that right up.
Mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you.
Okay, and because my concealer's like really liquidy, I like to kind of set it with like some light eyeshadow. No one try comfort me. I'll use this colour. I'm using this palette, Dreamy Charm by just MUA Luxe, just a random one basically. It's actually really nice. I probably look so insane right now, but don't worry, I'm about to fix that real soon. Okay, next I'm going to use this blending brush here to go in with a slightly darker browny colour. I swear, every time I do my makeup, there's always one side that I like better. Like, this always happens to me. One side always comes out way better. Going for like a goldish one.
Okay, look, that's nice.
Which one?
That's gold. But then I also like this one.
Mm.
Oh, both palettes.
Yeah, both palettes. Can you just pick?
That.
This one.
No.
That one.
No, that.
That one.
Yes.
I'm not going for that one. Next.
That.
Really? Okay. Thanks for the assistance. Yeah, so guys, that's Shanice. You probably won't see her again.
That's rude.
I actually have the names for these colours now. I'm going for, where is it? Medal. This colour, chosen by Shanice. Okay. I'm going to a little party at Unique's house later. How this be looking? Up top, drop top, baby, it's a no-brainer. This song is literally stuck in my head. Like, it's literally just come out and I literally can't get enough of it. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, my song. Okay, so now I'm gonna go like in my inner corners with, I'm kind of feeling this gold right here. As you can see, I've used it like once. Like, can you even tell that it's even been used? Can never go wrong with some shimmer in the inner corners of your eye. Like, come on, slay ball slay. So for my highlight, I'm sure you guys have seen that I've like used this before, like in my previous Get Ready With Me video. I like to use this shimmer right here. Like, it's so pigmented. It's like, it's amazing. Yeah, so I'm just using this pretty one right here, which I think just looks really good on my skin. Oh, hot damn. Look at that. Look at that. I can't even. Ooh. Oh, I can't even. Love it. Original colour here, and just smooth it out a bit at the top. Yeah, you just go over a little bit. Perfect. So then it doesn't look too harsh or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I think it looks better. Okay, honeys. Okay. Let me just brush my eyebrow a little bit. I don't actually fill in my eyebrows because I've never felt the need to, and I just can't be asked. Sometimes I just like to brush it up a little bit, you know, fix it up, make it look a bit neat, you know. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to do my eyeliner with my absolute favourite eyeliner by Maybelline. It's my favourite, and yet I had to think about that. But yeah, satin, and I love it. Like every time it runs out, I just go straight back to buy it, you know. Honestly, eyeliner is the hardest thing ever. The hardest thing is getting the wing the same on the other side. Like, let's try do this. Messed up already! You know what? Close enough, because I just can't. I can't deal. My mascara, and I haven't like been able to buy a new one just yet. And I'm telling you, if you have some liquid eyeliner, just rub it on. It works. It works. It doesn't like make it longer, but you know what? It works, guys. It works. I'm telling you. This is how you make use of what you have, you know. Yeah, so that just happened. So guys, maybe that was a bad idea because I nearly just blinded myself, but you know what? Pretty hurts, man. Yeah, so I'm gonna just fix up my eyeshadow. Good as new, honey. Yeah, let me just rub some concealer back down here. Make it all new. So yeah, nearly blinded myself, but I fixed it. So yeah, coming at you with the solutions always. Gotta think fast, you know. Yeah, so I'm just applying some highlight to my nose, to my cupid's bow. Looks absolutely a mess, but you know what? It works. It works. I'm gonna cover this with lipstick anyway, so it's fine. I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like I've really improved with like doing makeup, mainly eyeshadow, because I used to be so bad at it, and I've just fallen in love with doing eyeshadow. Like I literally just want to buy like a whole rack of eyeshadow. Like I love it so much. Now time for the lipstick. Sheesh, what time is it?
8:45.
Oh my gosh, I was really hoping you wouldn't say 8:45. I need to.
7.
Huh?
7.
Huh?
7.
What?
7.
7 what?
PM.
This is literally like currently my favorite lipstick. Like I wear it every chance that I get. And it's by Freedom. It's really nice. I actually got it in a collection for my workplace. Did a Secret Santa for Christmas, and yeah, I got this. It's so nice. Yeah, this YouTuber I was watching that was like doing makeup, she said like gold kind of like eyeshadow looks go really well with red lipstick, and I never know like how to do my eyeshadow to match my lipstick, because sometimes I would do like red eyeshadow and then it just clashes and it's like too much red going on. So yeah, this is officially my favorite look. I'm really happy. And I mean, as you guys can tell, I did my nails and like I got them super bright to go with more like the summer vibe, you know.
I won't fix, I'd rather weep. I'm lost and I'm found, but it's torture being in love.
So all of this is done now, so of course got to set the makeup with that Revolution Pro Fix is what I use. That may have been a bit too much, but every little helps, you know what? Every little helps, guys. Every little helps.
Yeah, baby.